cool dude. Kia ora, Tia Maya.
Kia ora koutou whānau.
Kia ora, welcome aboard. So today we are aboard Ondine and we're preparing a sailing trip.
So after Christmas we're going to do one of our biggest family adventure aboard Ondine. We're going to come aboard and sort of be provisioned up for doing 3 weeks living aboard and sailing. Get the weather window, we'll head up north, head up to the Sounds maybe, or Nelson will be lovely. I'd love to get the Abel Tasman. We have sailed the Abel Tasman once in a trailer sailor and we enjoyed it. But if we don't get the window to go up the island, up the the east coast of our beautiful South Island, we will get down, Pops. We will stick around our Banks Peninsula and sail all the cool bays and camp out around the places like Pigeon Bay and O'Kane's, head into Akaroa. If we were to do the big run, I want to have enough diesel to last us for quite a few hours of motoring. We're sort of stowing away around 70 litres of diesel plus our 30 litre inboard tank. Be holding enough water to last us a week, and then of course my darling's going to be making some yummy foods and freezing that up.
So I'm just going to cook a whole lot of meals and then freeze them, and then yeah, we'll just fry them on the pan again to heat them up. Bobby, stop barking.
Hey guys, so we've just come aboard for a wee play and some provisioning for our trip after Christmas. I'm just sort of slowly bringing bits and bobs out. So today we brought out 20 litres of water and 20 litres of diesel, and right now we're just heading out for a wee picnic at Rāpapi, which is within our local harbour. It's quite shallow in Rāpapi, so it's not often people go in for anchorage, but we decided we'd do it, and it's already low tide, so it's only going to get deeper, and it's a lovely day. The kids are having fun, and yeah, it's a real treat.
So the kids, Luke and I, normally get quite seasick, so I just want to thank you all who have given us some suggestions on how we can kind of improve that. So we are trialling the kids on Finnegan today. That's kind of the only thing that they can have because they're under 5. Yeah, just trialling it. Micah has definitely been a bit more sleepy. TMI even had a nap, and she normally refuses to nap. So yeah, it's just making them a little bit tired, but yeah, nothing too intense, which is awesome. And Luke and I are going to try the patches that you get, and I think you put on your neck or something, and also sea leg pills. So yeah, hopefully on our trip we will not get sick.
You see the Micah?
So my sister and brother-in-law and their 3 kids are over there, literally right there. And we're gonna dinghy across to see them, eh, Micah? Yeah. Yes.
When we're like on longer passage, we don't want to tow the tender behind the boat, especially if there's swell and conditions, and you'll lose a little bit of speed. But it's then the trick is getting an easy system to get it up and down onto the deck or stowed away, so it's not dragging or getting caught or going to be a hazard. So just trying a different system. So I wanted to right up the top on the pulleys up the top, just seeing how easy it will be to winch it on and off the boat without too much drama. Anyway.
We just bought this recently, not too long ago, about a week, maybe 2 weeks ago. Okay, you guys all ready on your life jackets, ready to go ashore to see your cousins? Yeah. Yep. Let's go. Yes. What a king.
What a king.
You know how people go, yes, queen.
No,
It's kind of like, yes, king. No, it's kind of weird. Nice, babe. baby Sari. Oh, she wants my food. And hey Joy, hi Rachel. You look like you're having fun in there, Rachie. Is it cold in there or is it warm? Micah, you can take your life jacket off if you want. And then, oh, Jake and Luke are out there rowing away. And then there's Ondine. Is it yum?
And your tummy, it's cool.
So these are warm water pools. So they're naturally quite warm. And then out there it's freezing. Excited. Poppy, she's just sitting in the water waiting for us to throw a stick that we don't have. Hanging out with the duckies. Poppy, go get the stick. Go get one. Go. No, this way. Go to land. Go on. Found a friend. No, boats can't talk, can they? Oh. We made it. We made it.
No, all by yourself.
No.
Yep.
Yeah, you got it, buddy. Bye, Kotero. Okay, my turn.
Hop over. Darling, is Mummy going to jump in the water? Say go. Go, Poppy. Go, Pops.
So Luke's just jumping in the water as well, and he's going to start scrubbing just to keep it clean, because we are going up to the Queen Charlotte Sounds and we just want to make sure everything's clean down there. Okay, how's the cleaning going? Yeah, good. So a couple of months ago, Luke got the boat out and we gave it a bit of an anti-foul, because if we're going up to the Sounds, oh, it's windy. Yeah, if we go up to the Sounds, we have to have a clean boat for the waters, because it's real fresh water and it's protected water or something. I don't really know. So yeah, he's just scrubbing the keel. When we got the boat out, it was kind of sitting on the ground, so the bottom part of the boat isn't painted because we weren't able to. So yeah, that's what he's scrubbing. I don't know if this is making any sense. I don't really know what I'm talking about, but yeah.
The keel, it's just tiny little ice.
Oh, yuck.
So just Daddy's going to jump in the water, Bubba, and then I'll help you get in, okay?
Get Maya.
You're going to lay on the puku, lay on your puku on the board. Lay down. That's it.
Get Maya. You're doing it with your life jacket on. Good boy. You could try float. Yep, down your hump. Good, Micah! Woo! Is it cold?
You kick.
Yes! So it's really windy out here. There's a few girls that got stuck as they were paddle boarding into the wind, and they ended up hopping on someone's boat because they just couldn't fight the wind anymore. So Daddy is going to go rescue them. Yeah, so we had to moor up on someone else's mooring, and it was really hard because it was right into the wind. So yeah, we had to wait for it to die down to be able to tie up to the mooring. Yeah, Luke's just out there now. Yeah. Alright, off we goes, rescuing them. They're going back to shore. They came out all the way out here, and they are from over there. Poor guys. Naked Kumu. What's it doing, Micah? warm and then it gusts like hundies. So, but it's really warm, so we're happy. Micah, sit down, darling. We went to the Eco store and Luke found a bunch of these camping stretchers cases and he sewed them together and he made
Christmas theme.
a Christmas themed, yeah, sail cover. Anyway, he's pretty creative.
Down on the side of the road, a Singer sewing machine that I got going, and it sews sails and like thick canvas. So I was able to sew a sail cover out of a sewing machine I got off the side of the road. So I was stoked. Pretty handy seamstress now.
Yeah. And Luke is the stay-at-home dad and he cooks most of the time. He is the best.
All about gender roles.
Yeah, he's like all about the gender roles. So Luke did a paint job a while ago on Dean, the boat, our boat. And we found it was really slippery. So he decided to put some sand in the paint and it's dried up so nicely and it's such good grip now. So that's a good idea if you guys are having the same issue, just throw some sand in the paint and yeah, it's pretty awesome. Okay.
Hoia te waka!
Hoia te waka! So make sure you guys stick with us on our journey as we attempt to sail up to the north and
I think as we attempt to just live aboard for 3
yeah.
weeks.
So if we don't have the weather window, we will just sail around here. But either way, we want to spend 3 weeks aboard. So yeah, keep an eye.
Thank you for joining us on our trip.
Yeah, thank you for joining us today. And if you guys want to stay tuned and watch our adventures as we live aboard for 3 weeks, make sure you subscribe to this channel and we'll see you guys next time.
Lalo kalo.
Ka kite!
Lalo kalo.
Say bye to Maya.
Kalakulu. Bye-bye.
E iwi ko tahi tātou.
Ola, ola, boba.